During an interaction with village sarpanches, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the biggest lesson COVID-19 has taught us is to become self-reliant, and stressed that even villages need to become self-reliant for their basic needs. The Prime Minister appreciated villagers for describing social distancing in simple words. It is being referred to as "do gaz ki duri," maintaining a distance of 2 yards so that people can understand it easily. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the clinical trials of plasma therapy on 4 COVID-19 patients were encouraging. The trials were carried out on 4 patients at Loknayak Jai Prakash Narayan Hospital. He also appealed to those who have recovered to donate plasma for serious patients. Nearly 300 shops are shut in Azadpur Mandi in Delhi after a trader died of coronavirus. Traders have demanded that the government scale up COVID-19 testing in what is Asia's biggest wholesale market for fruits and vegetables. The decision to shut down a section of the market was taken after 2 new cases emerged on Wednesday. After a 57-year-old trader died, 17 people who came in contact with him have been tested. One is his nephew and the rest are his employees. The government's COVID-19 relief package that offered free pulses, 1 kilogram per family, to beneficiaries of the National Food Security Act are yet to reach many households in the economically poor strata. Sources quoted by a newspaper report who work in the Food Ministry said sluggishness in distribution is due to a late start of the milling process by NFED, despite announcement of the Garib Kalyan Yojana on March 26th, a day after the country went into lockdown. Kerala said it would start random tests for COVID-19, picking subjects from specified professions that are in contact with a large section of people. The idea is to check if the virus has reached the 3rd stage of transmission. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan told reporters that random antibody tests will be conducted among the police, health officials, online delivery persons and guest labourers. With this, Kerala has entered the 2nd stage of fighting the virus. US-based Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund said on Friday that it will wind up 6 funds in India from April 23rd. Franklin Templeton said the decision has been taken in order to protect value for investors via a managed sale of the portfolio. The move comes at a time when the coronavirus pandemic continues to batter the financial markets around the globe. According to new research announced by a senior US official on Thursday, it has been found that the new coronavirus is quickly destroyed by sunlight. The study has not yet been made public and awaits external evaluation. Government scientists in the US had found ultraviolet rays could kill the virus both on surfaces and in the air, offering hope that the impact of COVID-19 would ease over the summer.